Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first, we want to check the cable and a charger for damage or compatibility. This is very important. I do have a cable right here. It's only a little bit scratched up and it's my fault, but it is charging as good as new. And I know for a fact that it does support fast charging. So damage and compatibility is done. What are we going to do next is we want to clean our charging port with a non-metallic tool. So of course you can use metallic tools, but only if you're good at it and you know that you won't damage the port. But somebody who's, let's say, novice in this type of things, you can use a soft brush. Just make sure that you get inside the port a little. You can swivel it around and try and get everything out. Then just clean it and do the same. So after cleaning our charging port, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and test another fast charger and outlet. So we can change the outlet and see if that results in a different output. Of course, the fast charging is enabled by default in this phone. So whenever we plug in the charger, let me quickly plug this one. It should fast charge. So once it is charging, what we can do here is we can update our software to fix any charging glitches. So we can go over into the settings. Now here in the settings, we're going to scroll down until we see the system. Here, system updates. And as you guys can see, I do have a system update that is available. And what are we going to do here is we're going to click on download and install. And this will basically install the newest software, and it will fix a lot of glitches, including the fast charging not working. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.